Hey there, Lennar fans. Roberto Lee with Pinnacle Property here, and today we are going to preview the Westwind model by Lennars Homes. You can find this floor plan at many Lennars Southwest Florida Communities. The Westwind is a 2,800 square foot home, 3 bedrooms plus den. Let's run inside and take a look at this beautiful floor plan by Lennar. You've got a beautiful double door entry as you walk up into the home. And as we walk into the foyer area, it opens up really nicely into this big great room style design that the Westwind has. Directly to the right is your formal dining space. Tray ceilings are included with this home. Now to the left of the entry, you have the den or 4th bedroom. This room right here also has a closet, so you can utilize the room as a 4th bedroom. And coming out into the main areas, we're gonna shoot directly across from the dining space. You've got a nice dry bar set up here as well. And going directly across the home, you have 2 guest bedrooms, entry to the garage, and your laundry. So here's your laundry here. Plenty of cabinet space. For storage, you have your utility sink. Directly off the laundry space, that's access to your 2-car garage or 3-car garage, depending on the floor plan and how you take it. And then you also have the guest bedrooms over here. Nice sized guest bedrooms. And this particular room right here has access to the guest bathroom. That's a pocket door right there that opens up, so you can have private access to the bathroom from that bedroom. And here's the guest bath here with the single sink, the commode, and then you have your standalone shower. And right behind this, we have the 3rd guest bedroom. And this one has a slider leading out to the pool area and is also part of the pool bath. So you have access to the pool bath. So this bedroom here can be an ensuite type of scenario. Now for the main area here, you do have this cut through into the kitchen. Beautiful open kitchen here. You have your eat-in dining room space. And this all overlooks your great room area here. Full appliance package comes with the Westwind. Really nice and open floor plan here. Now coming across the great room area is the last bedroom, and that's your master suite. Coming inside to the right, you're gonna see the his and hers closets, huge closets here on both ends. Really nice size, plenty of storage space for both. And then this opens up into your master suite here with the huge bay windows allowing for plenty of light and views. And you do have a door that also leads out to your lanai space from your master. Now, coming straight across, we get into the master bath where you have your dual sinks, soaking tub. You've got a nice little seated vanity area here. And then you have a walk-in style shower as well. And last but not least, you do have the private commode here. And you have another linen closet right here. Last but not least, we have the exterior. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna walk right past the eating kitchen area. You've got access to the outside lanai space right from your kitchen. And this leads you right out into your outdoor kitchen area where you can see plenty of room here for a nice 6-person table under truss. And this looks out over your views and your pool area See, there's tons of space, whether it's covered underneath or whether you're looking to catch a little sun out by the pool. All right, guys, so this is the Westwind model by Lennar. Again, you can find this floor plan at many Lennars Southwest Florida Communities. We are your local Lennar experts. If you're looking for this floor plan or any other floor plan within Southwest Florida, you can reach us at the contact information below. Guys, this is Roberto Lee with Pinnacle Property, and thank you for watching.